Tired of your Real Geeks website feeling like a digital maze? Let's fix that by adding a sleek, functional sidebar in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Real Geeks Dashboard. This is your command center for all things website related. Next, find the Website tab on the left-hand side and click on it. This opens up the website management options. Look for a section labeled something like Appearance, Widgets, or Sidebar Settings. The exact name might vary slightly depending on your theme, but it's usually found in this general area. Now you'll see a list of available widgets. These are the building blocks of your sidebar. Common options include search forms, featured listings, contact forms, blog post snippets, and custom text boxes. To add a widget, simply drag it from the available widgets list and drop it into the designated sidebar area. This area is typically visually distinct and clearly labeled. Once you've added a few widgets, you can easily rearrange them by clicking and dragging them to your desired order. Experiment to find the most logical and visually appealing arrangement. Click on a widget to access its settings here. You can customize the title, content, and appearance of the widget to match your brand and website goals. Don't forget to click Save or Update to apply your changes. Now, refresh your website to see your brand new sidebar in action. A well-designed sidebar improves navigation, highlights key content, and drives conversions. Use it wisely to elevate your Real Geeks website.